迎大家咧出席我哋 OCBC 華僑銀行香港新中環分行同埋老城昌海外第一間嘅分店嘅開幕典禮。我哋憑住新加坡嘅市場經驗啦，成為咧香港首間銀行推出咗銀行服務同埋生活零售融合於同一間空間嘅嶄新體驗。我哋將金融同埋生活時尚完美結合，客人咧可以一邊喺我哋嘅銀行去做呢一個嘅銀行事務之餘咧，一邊咧都可以選購老城昌嘅班蘭蛋糕，令到專業嘅銀行服務咧嚟得更加有溫度，更加親切咁走入我哋客人嘅生活日常，亦都印證咗我哋為客戶、為香港創造長遠價值嘅承諾。今日咧，我哋喺中環分行呢個核心地點啦，開設咗新中環分行啦。除咗係一個新嘅據點之外咧，我哋都標誌住 OCBC 一個重要嘅里程碑。
OCBC team work very hard to make sure this happens. This is the very first bakery in a bank.
I'm sure in the future, Invest Hong Kong will continue to support you guys to expand in Hong Kong and also to go further in the region. So a big congratulations to Ocean Chun and also to OCBC for the future.
Cheers! Congratulations! 再一次恭喜 OCBC 華僑銀行香港喺過去一年作出嘅良好成績。我哋咧而家推出嶄新銀行 crossover 生活零售概念，將會突破傳統，繼續為客戶帶嚟獨特嘅銀行體驗。喺大家繼續通力合作底下，我哋將會創造更加出色嘅表現。Congratulations once again to OCBC Hong Kong!